guys, welcome back to my channel. You see everybody girl Jane Onobia in case you're new, and if today is your first day of seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and if you end up enjoying this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup here. You know my channel is all about makeup, skincare and vlog and all that good stuff, you know. So today I want to do a clean girl bit. Like, I've been seeing the trend. I know I'm late, I know I'm late, but I'm still going to do something. The clean girl bit, like, it's something very flawless, very mild. You don't have to be using too much product on your face. Something you can wear for a date, for a wedding party, wedding reception. You don't like to look like you're going for a pageant. You see what I'm going to achieve. So if it sounds like something you want to watch, sit tight, relax. I got you. I'm going to show you how you can achieve that look and look all beautiful like a princess. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, as always, I'm going to be starting off by wiping my face, and I'm going to be using this micellar cleansing water from Dr. Rachel. You guys know this micellar cleansing water, so I'm going to be putting it all over my face. Wipe. Oh, so with that, take a very good quantity, you know, and cleanse your face. Guys, you know that cleaning your face, it is very important, especially it helps to bring out dirt from your face. So I'm going to be using it, and I'll go over to my face. So guys, I was even thinking I shouldn't even be showing you my skincare routine again. Like, you know, I've been doing this for a while. It's everywhere in my channel. It's everywhere. So I seen the dirts. This is important thing, the reason why you have to clean your face. So guys, the next one is my vitamin C face serum from BlACK. So I'm going to be putting it all over my face. I'll take a little pump, then I'll put here. I still want to take more. I'll put. Please make sure that the pump is not touching your face, because when it touches your face and you still put it here, you are inviting bacteria inside it. Oh, so that's it, guys. So guys, my moisturizer. So I'm going to be putting it all over my face. Is my moisturizer sleeping? So guys, you have to allow all these things that you do to your face to set first before you go over to the next thing, which is applying your foundation. So guys, let me allow it relax, then I'll be right back. So guys, my foundation today is from Zikel. It's Skin Fit Zikel. Like, when you're going for a baby girl clean bit, you don't have to go in with a heavy foundation. So this is going to be like you're wearing your skin. Yeah. So today, this one is Jerusalem in the shade medium 004. So guys, I've not used it before, so I'm going to be applying it. But from what I heard and from what I know, I've actually used this on some people's face, but I've not used it on my face. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be putting it on my mixing pan, or should I just go directly to my palm, because I'm not going to add it anything. So let me just use my palm because it's my skin. But if you are using it to someone else, please, you don't have to mix in your back of your hands. So guys, I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Don't mind me, guys. This makeup is giving me joy. I don't know why. It's been a while, guys. If you have noticed, it's been a while I did this. So here, because something has not been okay with me. So guys, I'm going to be putting it all over my face. So I'm going to be dabbing. Wow, I didn't take much. I just want to take little so that I will know how it works. Don't have to go in with too much. Ooh. So guys, I'm going to be blending it through. Wow. Oh wow, this is nice, guys. The first person I've been seeing people review this, and they certainly have reviewed it and confirmed that it is really skin like. Ezekiel is really trying. They are doing well. So guys, I'm going to be blending all this thing now off cam, so I don't overboard you with me blending my face, you know. So let me blend off cam and I will be right back. So guys, I'm going to be using my concealer from Hega and Esther today. They say this one is here to slay. I've been using it time much, I know. So for the Ezekiel Skin Fit, I've actually not been able to get the concealer because from the vendor I went to purchase from, she doesn't have it at that moment, and whenever she has it, I'm going to buy it. But this Hega and Esther is very nice, guys. So I'm just going to be taking a little. Remember that whenever you're going for this look, you don't have to use too much product on your face. So I'll just put here. Then my forehead. I don't want to have too much product on my face. Then here. My mustache area. I like to conceal here. So guys, I'm going to be blending off cam, then I'll be right back. I see my face, everything had to be very mild, like that clean bit that you're talking about. Don't worry, I'm getting to that. So guys, I'm going to be contouring my face. So I'm going to be using this concealer palette from V Beauty. Guys, I normally use this for clients, but I think I can use it for my face today. So guys, I'm going to be using the shade here, because I want to achieve very skin like something, you know. So I'm going to be going So guys, this one was not even giving me the shade I want ever. Okay, this is what I want. That is what I want. So you can always do your face like this for you to get your contoured area. So I'm going to be blending it out. It's just looking like my skin. This is how I want it. Like everything should just be together. So guys, I want to put a creamy blush. It's going to be very little. Like I just want to bring in that warm into my face. So I'm going to be blending. So I see the difference. So wow. So guys, are you seeing it? So I'm going to be going ahead to highlight my face, then I'll be back. So guys, this is my setting powder. So guys, I don't know, like I'm not used to doing talk through while I do makeup. Like it makes me slow and all that. Please forgive me. Your girl is trying to learn. So I'm going to be using my setting powder from X-Pond, guys. Like, I've been using this powder for God knows how long, and I love it. I love it. Like, I'm so proud of it. Seriously. Do you know what's hitting about this powder? I actually use it for so many, like, all kind of shades. So I'm just going to be taking later on. Remember that when you take, look at how it takes. When you take, try to blow up the excess. Let me get my mirror. You blow up the excess so that you not have a cakey finish. So there you go, bro. You tap. But I've gone in with my brush, but let me just go. You can use anything that works for you. Just remember to blow up the excesses, then tap. I like to set my under eyes immediately after I'm done with my skin work, so that my face will not crease. So guys, I'm going to be using my blush from V Beauty Night Out. This has been my favorite for a long while. So I just want to, you know, spice up the blush I already did. So guys, I've already added blush on my face. I think I was showing you before something happened. So I'm still going to bronze my face. So I'm going to be using this shade here. You can always use this your palette to do whatever you want, eyeshadow, blush, contour, anything. So I'm going to be using this shade here to bronze my contour. So I will take a little bit, then you know we are doing a clean girl beat. You don't have to use too much product. I think I'm okay like this. So we'll take a little one to go over like this. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off cam. So please, if you want me to show you and let me update my brow routine, my brow game, so you see how I do it, comment down in the comment section and I'll answer you. So guys, I'll be right back. Let me do my brows. So guys, welcome back. I'm going to go over and do my eyeshadow. I see how the brows is very fluffy and very simple, you know, don't have to go into much. So I'm going to be baking my face. I want to add this powder. Just this RCMA, guys. You guys know the powder. So I'm going to be adding a little to bake so that I'll catch follow-ups under my eye. Going to use it to catch follow-ups, guys. So guys, I'm going to go over to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this nude girls from Serum. Something very simple. You don't have to do too much. Simple. You use that my light so I'm going to do my transition. Guys, like I promised, I don't want to do something. So guys, I'm going to be using this shade to drag down to my nose and do a nose contour. Like, I don't like to do nose contour most times. So guys, I'm just going to be using this Naughty Girl. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes off cam and on back. I'm done with my eyeshadow look, so everything is clean. I don't want to go in like overboard with so many products, so I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is the lashes I used. This is very short. Like when you don't want to use something very loud, this is what I use. So when you're going for a baby girl look, you don't have to go in too much. You don't have to use those long lashes. So you have to go in something that is very short, you know. So I'm going to be doing my lip, lining my lip with this Davis pencil. So, oh god. So I'll just line it. It's just very simple. So guys, I'm going to be going in with this nude shade from Me Now, Splendid Honey. So I'm just going to be putting it a little here. So guys, I went ahead to apply a clear gloss from me now also. So I'm going to apply highlighter, set my face, and pop up my wig, and I'll be right back. See you guys. So guys, this is the final look. How is it, guys? Like, I'm feeling the makeup already. Like me that is enjoying it, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the beat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please, if you did, don't make today your last. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys. Are you seeing this flawless look, guys? So guys, I don't really like to wear wigs, so that is why I don't literally like to wear wigs because it makes my face, like, it gives me a different look. So that is why I actually tie this hair. Like, I had to pack it to make sure that my face is clean. You know, you don't have to look all heavy, looking like it's not you while you're going for a clean girl. Like, this is clean and so expensive. When you want to look expensive, guys, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Guys, I have so many other videos coming your way, content coming your way. Bye bye.